video. Today we're going to be reviewing KSP Performance Spike lug nuts. Guys, so I just took the top out, and now we are at the bottom. Now I must say I'm very, very satisfied with the packaging. Like I said, I wouldn't review anything that I don't like, and I am grateful for the quality they use. And I mean, this package arrived, I think 2 days after they shipped it to me. So I must say their shipping is great, their packaging is great. So obviously the only downside I have to say so far is on my last set of lug nuts is they did peel a little bit, but that's obviously going to happen. You're going to put an O-ring onto the cap. Alright, so as you can see, I have the cap here, and I put the O-ring on, slid it on as far as it'll go. And I have the base of the lug nut, the one piece. And that's why they call it a two-piece lug nut set. And this side will go on the truck, the side with the angled base, and then your lug nut will just screw right in. Now obviously when you get to the bottom, you'll have to tighten it down with a wrench. When I put them on the truck, I'll tell you what size it is. And the whole reason there's an O-ring is because you don't want it to rattle or have vibration when you're going down the road. But yeah, overall, good build. I'd recommend them to everyone, and I'll have the link in the description with a code to save you some money. And let's get them on the truck.
Catch me riding by with that look in my eyes. Palms like a sweat about the way I'm gripping my nine. Yeah, I'm always on my toes, but I'm still the same.